Welcome to the AutoCAD 2010 Basic 2D Concepts course. What we're going to look at here is what's new in AutoCAD 2010 first of all, and this is part one of what's new in AutoCAD 2010. When you first install AutoCAD 2010, you go through three initial setup screens. Now I can't show you these screens because I've already installed AutoCAD 2010 on my laptop computer. However, what they do is they allow you to customize your workspaces. So if you're an architect, you can set up an architectural workspace. If you're an electrical engineer, you can set up an electrical engineering workspace. The default AutoCAD workspace, however, is still available as well. Now what you'll notice as well when you first open up AutoCAD 2010 is the screen seems to be much neater. Now the reason it's neater is if you look at the ribbon interface at the top of the screen, which is the default interface, you'll see that the panels now are color-coded. Much easier to see, so you hover over a panel and you can see the title block highlights there in blue. Notice the icon arrangement is also much neater. 3 rows of icons now in each panel on the ribbon. Much tidier, much easier to see, and with the color highlighting, very visual, very obvious. Now the one other thing that you'll notice is you've still got the big red A in the top left corner of the screen here. This used to be known as the menu browser in AutoCAD 2009. It has actually changed quite dramatically. It's been renamed. It's now known as the application menu. So throughout this course it will be called the application menu now. And if I click on the flyout there, what you'll notice is the interface is very, very different to AutoCAD 2009. It's not a replication now of the pull-down menus in previous versions of AutoCAD. It's process-driven. If I hover over New, I can open up a new drawing or a sheet set. If I hover over Open, I can open up a drawing, a sheet set or a DGN file. If I look at Drawing Utilities down here towards the bottom, I get an entire list now of utilities that allow me to work with a drawing. So if I went to Purge, for example, it opens up the Purge dialog box for me. I'm going to close that. I don't need to purge this drawing. It's a blank drawing. It's purely showing you one of the new features there. But it's now called the application menu, not the menu browser anymore. We will cover the application menu much later on in this AutoCAD course.